Thank you so much. And your brothers are great. You see, America is on trial. Chicago State University is on trial. The government and people of America, they are on trial. The world will wait to see how they handle issues affecting Tinubu's academic record. You see, you will tell us you want democracy in Africa. You will not support military intervention. The same people that tells you they believe in democracy, they will support election rigging, forgetting that election riggers are civilians involved in civilian coup. They will support, they will do absolutely nothing to help the people. America has done nothing to stop corruption in Africa. America has done nothing. We are waiting. The whole world will wait to see whether what we are hearing is true. That the reason the court gave order stopping the release of Tinubu's academic record is to enable Chicago State University to cook the record, to see what they can adjust. But the rumor had it already that the Bola Tinubu that went to Chicago University was a female student. We have already had it. We are waiting. Why will a court stop the release of the academic record of a public office holder? Why will a court give such order? Nothing of a public office holder that can be kept secret. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. The said certificate was submitted as part of the requirements to enable this person contest election in Nigeria. So, why will that be secret again? The university should release every detail about this particular individual who said, I passed through this university. I was a student. I graduated from this university. Why will a court give order, interim order, stopping the release of the academic record of this particular public office holder? Tinubu is not a private citizen. He's a public office holder. Does it mean that the American judiciary does not know it? That a public office holder, there is no secret. Under the Freedom of Information law, anybody that can walk up anywhere and obtain information from any institution about a public office holder, you don't need court order to do that. So on what ground will a court give an interim order? And the rumor we are hearing, the records are being packaged to meet a particular expectation. If that be true, then America is on trial. If an individual will go to court to ask the court to stop the issue, the order, saying release his academic record, that individual is telling you, I have something to hide. And he tells the court that if this academic record is released, I will suffer irreparable damage.
This certificate conundrum continues in America. Last minute, his lawyers, because the judge in Chicago had said that the school should go and release all his students' documents to the article team that pressed for it. But last minute, his lawyers went there to try to block it and say it will cause irreparable harm. And I'm wondering, what kind of harm will be the documents, school documents of somebody cause? Once the person is the public glare, people should be able to have rights to, the documents and everything and all of that. And the question here is the question, transparency. Let's see things for what it is. That's the question on ground here. So let's see how that case pans out. And for us to truly build a country, we must be able to have profiles of our leaders. Because you see, if he was a private citizen, hmm, all
Yes.
of this will not matter. But once he's a president, there must be transparency. So I don't see any big deal in getting documents of verification.
He has said it all. He has said it all. Go and obtain my academic record. Make it public. No problem about it. You don't need court order. Walk into any school that I claim to have attended. Ask for my academic record. Make it public. Photocopy it. Distribute it everywhere. Nothing. I will suffer no damage at all. It's of no concern to me. Because I worked for it. I did not forge any. I made no false claim. Check my CV. I will make no false claim. It's only a man with something to hide that will tell the court, please, save me, I'm in danger. If this thing is made public, I will suffer irreparable damage. But 2 days ago, they were shouting, forget it, nothing will come out of it. We say everything is there. The rumor have it that the Bola Tinubu of Chicago State University was a female student. We are waiting to see how this drama will end. But let the government and people of America know you are on trial. America will handle Tinubu saga. The world is watching. America is on trial. That is the truth. I speak for the heavens. I speak for suffering humanity. I speak for good conscience. I speak the truth in righteousness. In fairness to all. America is on trial.